In this video, I'll be showing you how to invite friends to follow your Facebook page. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to your Facebook mobile application. You can do this on PC as well, anything like that. Then all you got to do is tap the three lines. And then from here, what you got to go ahead and do is scroll down and then go over to your business page. Now, once you just go ahead and do that, so I'm just going to go over to my business page right now. So I'm just going to double click my normal profile. I'll be prompted to my business page. Now, all I got to go ahead and do is go to the bottom right where it has my profile icon, and I see a lot of different things here. If I press these three little dots, I'm going to see a lot of different things. But what I want to go ahead and do is press invite people to connect, or I can use page links. I can, press that page link right there, and then I can send it to any of my friends or anything like that. Anyone I basically want to follow my Facebook page, just send it to them and you can share it wherever. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials as well.